In structure of the heart, I will explain the points about the external structure, the blood vessels and the valves. That means the external structure. What is a heart? The shape it mainly contains. It is a pear shaped, means a fruit, a pear shaped structure, triangular in outline, and wider at anterior side and pointed. This is the pointed in posterior side. Posterior pointed and anterior wider. So that is the structure of the heart. Pear shaped, triangular in outline, and wider at the posterior side. Wider at the anterior side and pointed at the posterior side. PP, you can remember like that, posterior side pointed. Okay, next, it mainly contains two membranes. It contains membranes, and the membranes are known as pericardial membranes, and there is a space between the pericardial membrane. Space is present, and the space is filled with a pericardial fluid. And externally it is divided into 4 grooves, means just like depressions. If any cake or like that, if you cut it, how it looks like, in the same way it has 4 cuttings or 4 depressions. Those are known as grooves. So 4 grooves are known. And internally also it is divided into 4 by muscular partitions. Muscular partitions means muscular tissue. 4 septa, internally divided into by a muscular structures known as septa. And outside you can see it as a grooves. So externally and internally the heart is divided into 4 chambers. Externally by grooves, and internally it is divided by septa. Interauricular septum, interventricular septum. So these are the how the heart is divided into 4 chambers. So the mammalian heart has 4 chambers, you know very well. And whereas in other like aves and reptiles, in fishes it is 2 chambered, and in aves it is 4 chambered, and amphibians 3 chambered heart. So now I will say about the mammalian heart, which has 4 chambers, and these 4 chambers I am previously also many times I explained about it. So those 2 chambers are right chamber and left chamber, you can say. Right chamber is slightly bigger than the left chamber, and this right chamber is divided into upper auricle and down right ventricle, and left chamber is also left auricle and left ventricle. Whereas ventricles has more thick walls. They have more thick walls than the auricles, as they have to pump the blood to all the parts of the body. That's why they have more thick walls than the auricles. So now when you come to here, next one is the blood vessels. Now the structure of the heart, the external structure is finished, and next is the blood vessels. So blood vessels here, what are the blood vessels? I said already, main types are arteries, veins and capillaries. Here which blood vessels are present in the heart are some vessels are present in the walls of the heart, which are known as coronary blood vessels. These coronary blood vessels, they supply blood and nutrients. They supply O2 and nutrients to the muscles of the heart. Whereas another attached blood vessels, another one is attached blood vessels. One is present in the walls of the heart, another one is attached blood vessels. So attached blood vessels are nothing but again 2 types, arteries and veins. Arteries are systemic aorta and pulmonary artery. Veins are inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, and pair of pulmonary veins. So I said already where they are attached. Systemic aorta, left ventricle, and pulmonary artery, right ventricle. Inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, right auricle, And pair of pulmonary veins are left auricle. Here is valves. Third one is the valves. Third, and there are three types of valves are present: tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, and semilunar valves. Tricuspid valve are present between the right auricle and right ventricle. These are the valves. Valves are nothing but the openings. The openings are guarded by some muscular tissue.